How to create a Python virtual environment? Let's see it in a few simple steps. For that, open command prompt. Here, type command python dash dash version. Check if Python is installed on your system. Here, Python is already installed. Then navigate to your project folder by using cd and the folder name command. Now create the virtual environment with below command like python dash venv and then type environment. Run this command. Here environment env is the name of environment folder. You can choose any name. Next step is to activate the virtual environment. For Windows, use command cd dash your environment name. Here we have entered in the environment folder. Again, can change directory to scripts folder and then type command activate. You will see environment at the start of your terminal prompt, which means it is active now. This is the environment folder name. So whatever name you have entered in, that will replicate here. Save your environment's dependencies with the command pip freeze name of txt, that is requirements.txt. Enter. To deactivate this virtual environment, use command deactivate. Once you run this deactivate command, you will be out from the virtual environment and you can see your working directory. And that's it. You have successfully set up Python virtual environment.